My body is a temple. It just happens to be made of cheeseburgers. I'm sure by now you've figured out what time it is. It's dinner time.
Good evening. It's dinner time. This video's from my favorite YouTuber, Jace. Couple shout outs today, quite a few actually. It's been an interesting day, I guess. I do have those from time to time. Got a few texts from my nephew, Jude W. He's been working quite a bit, so he forgot I was live. I'm just kidding. He gave solid proof that he's still watching my videos. Thank you. Let's see. From last night's video, OJ Rod commented on YouTube, and Troy C commented on Facebook. They're both fans of Auntie Anne's pretzels in one way or the other. And also got to talking to Tyler S. and Chad J. Tyler shared a memory on Facebook, picture of the CD of my old band, and we got to chatting about that and other stuff. That was nice talking to you guys. Thank you for sharing that as well. Boom. Speaking of boom, no boom time, and I didn't see any birthdays as well. But if it is your birthday and you're watching this, I hope it's a good one. Some fresh baked goods tonight. A couple of chicken patty sandwiches, toasted bun, little pepper, little paprika, little slice of Gouda on top. Is Gouda. Some steak fries to go along with that. Looking good. Got some ketchup, and I got some garlic paste. I don't know what it's called. Wet garlic. I was going to spread it over the fries, but I figured I can probably just get some dip on there. Some little OJ. Gonna have some dinner. No need for a real review of the food. It's your standard chicken sandwich and your standard large size French fries. But that Gouda is nice and stringy, and it's there, but it's not like potent like cheddar. Still good. Was the best part about going to like Mariners or Seahawks games were the garlic fries. I don't miss sports, but I miss those fries. I miss sports too. Curling. Summer Olympics, man. It hurt. A couple years ago, there was a plan for me to be in Japan around the Summer Olympics time. Obviously, that did not pan out. Um, Maybe one day, if I ever get some YouTube money, I'll shoot on over across the pond. I don't know. We'll see. Please. I was a little scared I was going to run out of ketchup without having to open up a new bottle. But it looks like I'm going to run out of garlic before the ketchup. Damn. My cousin Emmanuel A. He has a site on Facebook or a page called You Should Watch YSW, and I'm putting out a recommendation for the new Watchmen. It's like the HBO series. I got 3 episodes deep today, and whew, it wasn't what I expected. First off, I thought it was going to be some line for line remake of the movie, but it's not. It's like a continuation. That's all I'm going to say. But a lot of the content was like they were looking in the future of America and recording it back then. You know, when they filmed it anyway, probably last year. I don't know. A lot of racial tension and police brutality, police killings and stuff like that. Um, let's hope it doesn't get too serious. I mean, it's already serious, but seriouser. Was watching some protests in Washington, D.C. today, and the only thing I wanted to comment on was that the lady with the bullhorn looks like a lady with hairy armpits. Excuse me. Couldn't bring myself to it. Excuse me. They were chanting, what does democracy look like? And, you know, she'd say that, and the crowd would be like, this is what democracy looked like. Excuse me. But it was, what it looked like to me was a bunch of people walking down the street with a bunch of windows boarded up on all the businesses. I think democracy can do a little better than that, people. I don't think I've ever really spoke out about the stuff, but there's a little tidbit there. It's all right. You choose to have hairy armpits, but I personally don't find it attractive. Let's get back to the real deal here. Chicken sandwiches and French fries. I sent a picture of this meal to old Drew Boy, and he said, "Man, that looks delicious," and he was starving. Then he went on to tell me that he had a Noah's Ark today. That's a restaurant up in Bremerton. Good good cheesesteak action, good sandwiches, burgers and stuff. Bucket of fries. Dang it, man. I'm a little jealous. Blackberry milkshake. Sounds good right now. Dang it. So I'm a little jealous about that. Still, can't say I'm not eating good. Putting the French fries onto the chicken sandwich just improved the mouthfeel like 100% there. Like before, it wasn't even noticeable. Like, yeah, I'm just chewing food. Now it's dang delicious. It just feels good. Mm-hmm. And tastes good too. That was some good dinner. But dinner time is over. Peace.
If you're gonna do things, you might as well do them right.